Hello students, today we will solve trithees of lines and angles chapter. You see the first question, which pairs of following angles are complementary? Here in this question you will do 4 parts and in all the 4 parts you have to tell which pair of the angles are complementary. In the first part, measure of angles are 70 degree and 20 degree. Okay, but before solving all the parts, we will write this two angles are said to complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Okay, so here we will write two angles are said to complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Now we will see the first part. In the first part, measures are 70 degree and 20 degree. Okay, here you will write since 70 degree plus 20 degree is equals to 90 degree. Okay, therefore what can you say? Therefore the angles are complementary. Okay, now let us check the pair of second part. In the second part, measure of angles are 75 degree and 25 degree. Okay, here since 75 degree and 25 degree. If we add 75 degree and 25 degree, here we will get 100 degree, and this 100 degree is not equals to this 90 degree, means it is more than 90 degree. Sum is not coming here 90 degree. So what can you say about this? Therefore the angles are not complementary. Okay, now see the C part in your book. Here the measures of angles are 48 degree and 52 degree. So here 48 degree and 52 degree we will add, and after adding this here we will get 100 degree. Since the sum is not coming 90 degree, so you can say that the angles are what? Not complementary. Okay, now we will solve D part of this question. In the D part of this question, measures of angles are 35 degree and 55 degree. Okay, now let us add 35 degree and 55 degree. 35 degree and 55 degree. Here the sum is coming 90 degree. Okay, therefore the angles are complementary. Okay, So the pair of A part and B part are complementary, and the pair of angles of B and C parts are not complementary. Here you will put degree sign. And now look at the question number 2. What is the measure of the complement of each of the following angles? We know that two angles are complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Okay, so we have to find here complement of this 45 degree angle. So we will assume here complement. Okay, so for that you will write, let the complement of 45 degree be x. Okay, and this given 45 degree angle and its complement, here we have assumed x, and their sum is equals to 90 degree. Now we can find the value of this x. Here we will write x at 90 degree and 45 degree we will transpose to right hand side, and here minus 45 degree. Now in the next step we will get x is equals to 45 degree. So the complement of this 45 degree angle is 45 degree. Now see one more part of question number 2. Rest parts you will solve yourself, and here again we will write for this part, let the complement of 65 degree be x. Okay, now 65 degree plus x. Okay, given angle and complement of this angle x, their sum is equals to 90 degree. Now x is equals to 90 degree minus here 65 we will do. 90 degree minus 65 degree. Okay, and the difference will come here, 90 degree minus 65 degree is 25 degree. Okay, now look at the question number 3. The difference in the measures of two complementary angle is 12. What is 12 degree? Difference. Okay, in the measures of two complementary angle. Find the measures of the angles. Okay, here we will assume the measures of angle. Okay, first we will assume the measure of one angle. For that you will write, let one angle be x. Okay, if one angle be x, then other angle will be what? X plus 12. You know why x plus 12? Because the difference between the two complementary angle is 12 degree here in this question. Okay, so for the other angle you will write, then the other angle is equals to x plus 12 degree. Okay, let one angle be x, then other angle is equals to x plus 12 degree. Okay, here now here x degree and x plus 12 degree both are complementary angles. Okay, so here we will write Now x degree and x plus 12 degree are complementary angles. Okay. Therefore, the sum of x degree and x plus 12 degree will be equals to what? 90 degree, because they are complementary. Okay. Now we will solve it. Here x degree and this x degree, okay, plus 12 degree is equals to 90 degree. X degree and x degree we add, and here we get 2x degree, and here this 12 degree we will transpose to right hand side, and now here 2x degree is equals to 78 degree will come, and here now in the next step 78 degree divided by 2, here 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. 39 degree is coming measure of one angle. Now we will find the measure of the other angle. For other angle, what we will do? Okay, before that you will write, therefore one angle x degree is equals to how much degree? 39 degree, and the other angle, here we will put the value in x plus 12 degree. Here 39 degree plus 12 degree we will do. Okay, 39 degree plus, so when we add 39 degree and 12 degree, we will get here 51 degree. Okay, so here you can see measure of one angle is coming 39 degree, and measure of other angle is coming, x plus 12 degree is coming 51 degree. Now students, see the trithees of page number 96. Here the first question is find the pairs of supplementary angles in figure 5.7. In the first question you can see 4 parts, and in these 4 parts you have to tell the pair of supplementary angles. Here also we will write first 2 angles are supplementary. 2 angles are supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Okay, here the first pair of angles is 110 degree and 50 degree. Okay, so we solve A part first. Since 110 degree and 50 degree, these two are given angles, and their sum is coming 160 degree. Here the sum is not coming 180 degree, so these therefore the angles are not supplementary. Okay, now we will solve B part. and the measure of the given angles are 105 degree and 65 degree. Okay, here since 105 degree and 65 degree we will add, and after adding we will get here 170 degree. Okay, here also you can see the sum is not coming 180 degree. Okay, sum is not coming equals to 180 degree, therefore here you will write, therefore the angles are not supplementary. Okay, now the C part. Here in the C part, the measure of given angles are 50 degree and 130 degree. Since 50 degree and 130 degree, both the angles we will add, and we will get here 180 degree. Okay, so what can you say about this? The angles are supplementary. Okay, now the last part, see in your book, measure of angles are 45 degree and 45 degree. Okay, here we add 45 degree plus 45 degree, sum is 90 degree. Here also sum is not coming 180 degree. Okay, therefore the angles are not supplementary. Now students, see the second question of this try this. What will be the measure of the supplement of each one of the following angles? Here I am going to explain you now first part, and here we have to find supplement of this 100 degree angle. Children, we know the angles are supplementary if their sum is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so here we have to find the supplement of 100 degree. We will assume the supplement of this 100 degree angle. For this we will write, let the supplement of 100 degree be x. Okay, so here 100 degree is the given angle, and the supplement we have assumed here x, and the sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree because they are supplementary. And now x is equals to 180 degree. This 100 we will transpose to right hand side, and here on right hand side we will get 180 degree minus 100 degree, and then x is equals to 180 minus 100. What will come here? 80 degree. Okay, so the supplement of 100 degree angle is 80 degree. Here second, third and fourth part you will do yourself, and now see the third question of this. Try this. The third question is, among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller. Find their measures. Here you have seen this sentence. the larger angle is 45 degree more than the measure of the smaller. Okay. Now here you think which angle you will assume here. So here you will see that you have to assume measure of the smaller angle. Okay. So for this you will write, let the measure of the smaller angle be x. Okay. And therefore the larger angle will be how much? X plus 44 degree. X plus 44 degree. You know why? Because larger angle is 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller angle. Okay. So here x plus 44 degree will be the larger angle. And since the angles are supplementary. Okay. Angles are supplementary. Here you will write, since the angles are supplementary, therefore x plus this x plus 44 degree is equals to how much? 180 degree, because these two angles are supplementary. Okay. Now in the next step, x plus x, here 2x will come, plus 44 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now 2x is equals to 180 degree minus 44 degree we will do, and here 2x is equals to, here we will subtract 44 degree from 180 degree. We will get here 136 degree. Okay. And then x is equals to 136 degree divided by 2, and here 2 6 are 12 and 2 8 are 16. So here x we are getting 68 degree, and this is the measure of the smaller angle. Okay. Here we will write, therefore the measure of smaller angle x is equals to what? 68 degree. And the measure of larger angle, for measure of larger angle we will see this x plus 44 here, and x plus 44 degree, and here we will put the value of this x here. Okay. Then we will get 68 degree plus 44 degree. We will add, and after adding 68 degree and 44 degree, here 8 and 4 12, and carry 1, and here 6 plus 4 plus 1 120. 12 degree. Okay. So the measure of the smaller angle is 68 degree and the measure of the larger angle is 112 degree. Now students, today only this much. In the next video, we will continue the next try these. Thank you.